Embodied AI is all the rage in China, from industrial automation to autonomous EVs, from delivery drones to increasingly advanced robotic humanoids and pets. AI is on board, and with their sensors, motors, and natural language processing, now they're interacting with us and the rest of the physical world, and it's arriving in much more lifelike packaging, as creepy as that may be. China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology says China since last year has produced nearly 100 embodied AI robotic products, claiming the country holds 70% of the global market, due largely to its unrivaled stem-to-stern supply chain of critical parts and advancements in its own AI and chips. The embodiment, if you will, of China's DeepSeek moment.
I think that ushered in a whole corporate culture where we're trying many Gen AI use cases. We have also labs and PhDs who work on these things. When would this ever impact the bottom line or have real impact? I think that's the question.
We do know that the central government has put out a venture fund tapping about $138 billion for the development of humanoid robots for industry and for personal use. That is a lot of money and probably just the tip of the iceberg. In an otherwise difficult job market in China, online recruitment firm Zhaopin says the number of job openings in China's humanoid robotics sector has quadrupled so far this year from last, with salaries for the needed algorithm engineers rising well past the average urban pay. Hangzhou-based Unitree is one of the pioneers of consumer robotics in China, offering its latest so-called humanoid agent AI avatar, the 4-foot, 2-inch, 77-pound G1, on the web for $16,000. He can do all kinds of things. He can run, he can jump, he can get you coffee. Or for $1,600, there's the 4D ultra-wide recognition LiDAR-equipped Go-To dog, with plenty of tricks up its 12 flexible knee joint motors.
It can stand. It's just the beginning stage.
For China's vast industrial complex as well, rapid automation includes the increasing use of inspection and diagnostic bots with embodied AI, such as Lenovo's six-legged Daystar, deployed in places unreachable by or unsafe for humans.
I think the Chinese robots will come into the world, in a way that as a price for money and a price of value that will be quite unbeatable.
With the backing of state policy and funds, expect a myriad of new embodied AI products to try and grab your attention. Like it or not, we may be staring directly into the future. Stephen Engel, Bloomberg News, Shanghai.